Well, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this driveway behind me, quite a lot of white spots and thick grime. As you can see, it's meant to be a yellow slab there, so I can imagine this being quite a big change. And yeah, the bin's just filling up, so we're looking forward to getting cracking. It's been on and off showers for the last couple of days, which has been very annoying, but only really affects the sort of sand inside of things. The rest it's not really too bad on, but yeah, you can see. One thing to point out, so this job's going to be without chemicals, and then once you see the result, see how much sort of the white spot comes up and how well it comes up, and then it'll decide whether he wants chemical to enhance the clean. So it's quite an interesting one, so we'll see how well I can get up just for pressure, and then we'll see, yeah, if he wants that, and then I don't know, quite a lot, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's do it. Alright, hello everyone. It is about to hammer down. But look at this. Grime line for you. As you can see, white spots are coming fine, off just fine without any chemical at all. So I think the customer won't want any chemicals done, which is fine by me. Results are looking day and night, to be honest. Yeah, all good. I carried on with the lance because I was really enjoying it, so I'm probably going to crack out with a flat surface clean for the rest of it just to save some time and because it's pouring down, but I was proper enjoying that one. Yeah, I'm going to get cracking because it's raining. Oh, if anyone wants to laugh, I am just absolutely drenched right now. But can't keep me down. Look at that grime line, not stopping that. Anyway, I'm going to carry on. If you could like and subscribe, that'll make a drowned rat very happy. Out, which is really annoying, but we can sort of get just I went first. Well, lovely, well happy with it. No chemicals needed, all the white spots gone. Tiny bit of black spot at the top, but he wasn't too fast. I've got to put all this back, but this is all sorted too. He's just better get his car and drive. The parking restrictions are starting. Right, it's not raining now. Drying off nicely. Come on, well happy with it. So it's customer. In with the torrential sort of downpours, that was fun. But yeah, all in all, got a great outcome. No chemicals needed, which I actually prefer, so it saves me putting the mask on and that. And yeah, thanks for watching the video. And if you can like and subscribe, that'd be great. And I'll see you next one. Cheers. You daredevil. Ah, you daredevil.
He's a fun.
Good boy. That would scare you a bit. Say bye, Arthur. Arthur, say bye. Thank you for watching.